Hi, Tomatino. Tomatino, Tomatino. Tomatino, Tomatino. Why you look all freaked out? Is Daddy?
Do you look freaked out?
He does. And here's Figaro. Hi, Figaro. Hi, Gato. It's a good kitty. What are you guys doing here?
Having boy time.
Just chilling, the three of you?
Yep. Figaro, Tommy, and Daddy.
Very nice. Tomatino. Say what's up? What's up? What's up? Can I have a smile?
Can we get a smile?
Can I have a smile, Tommy? Oh, you bored? How about you, Figaro? Gato.